Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's meet Cyclamen coum. It's mid to late February, and this is the time of year you can count on it blooming. It often starts blooming in late December and certainly blooms January through February into March. It's one of the cyclamen that is winter hardy in zone 7, and the foliage comes up in the fall, and then by mid-spring or so it's gone dormant. It totally disappears for the winter. The leaves can vary from seedling to seedling. They occasionally are solid green. This is a real typical pattern in the leaf. There are also garden selections where the leaves are entirely silver colored, not the true metal silver, but silver colored. Often the flower color is a darker, more vibrant color, closest to magenta, but this is a fairly common color. I really enjoy it because it blooms during the good part of winter, and anything that's blooming then is real welcome in the garden. See, it's a little thing. It's only about 3-4 inches tall, but and this is one plant. It's not as big and robust a plant as Cyclamen heterofolium, but Cyclamen heterofolium finished blooming months ago, so this is a real treat in the winter garden. I highly recommend it. It's growing here amongst evergreen Solomon seal, a Cymbidium orchid, Cymbidium garringianum. You can see last year's seed pods. And it's shedding seeds. I don't know if you can see that. Hellebores and stuff. So it's an easy garden plant in a shade garden with, I don't want to say good drainage because that sounds like sharp drainage, but just average drainage where water doesn't stand after rain and it gets better. Cyclamen aren't increased by division. They're only increased by seed. And generally, if they're happy in the garden, they'll make seedlings which you can transplant. That's probably a little seedling, this year's seedling. Just one simple leaf. An interesting thing about cyclamen is that though they are dicot, dicots are one of the big groups of flowering plants that have two seed leaves. When you grow a bean from a seed, they put up the big pair of seed leaves, but cyclamen produce a tuber underground, and one of the cotyledons becomes that tuber. So the other cotyledon becomes the first seed leaf. And so they give the impression of being a monocot, having only one seed leaf, but that's because the one has become a tuber. Here's some more seedlings, these little guys here. You can prick them out with a weeding knife or something like that and transplant them around the garden. Really worthwhile, and I think people worry too much about cyclamen and don't try them in the garden, but Cyclamen coum and Cyclamen heterofolium are quite easy in the garden. The ones that are for sale as potted plants, they're Cyclamen persicum, meaning from Persia, which isn't quite accurate, but they're from a warmer part of the Middle East, whereas Cyclamen coum is from the sort of Eastern Europe, the Caucasus and Georgia and thereabouts. So quite cold hardy. This is an example of what you would see in the garden if you visit during our winter open house. Our winter open houses are coming up. They're always the last weekend in February and the first weekend in March. Always Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, always 9 to 5. There are a bunch of free classes you can attend. You just have to show up at either 10 or 2. And you can find the schedule of classes on our website. We'll also have food trucks, which is a nice addition. You can spend the day. And it's also an opportunity when you can shop through our 6 greenhouses of all the things we currently have for sale. So come out and enjoy the garden, get inspired, see all the things that add beauty to the winter garden, and have a good old time. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.